Alright guys, so we're now at the point where we're going to submit our rough draft of our protest song into Canvas, okay? So first things first, make sure you have a title for your song, okay? Mine is just called Wealth Inequality Protest Song Rough Draft. Something that you can easily find once you download it, okay? Once you've done that, you're going to save. Over here's the download button. Do not hit that button. It's going to download it into a .wav file, and Canvas does not like .wav files. So instead, you've saved it. It's already done mixing. You're going to go over here to File and go down to Export. You're going to export to MP3. Okay, and it's going to save it right down here in the bottom. Now we can go into, our day 4 discussion. We've read the instructions. We're going to go to reply. And the first thing you can do is just insert that song. And that's going to be to upload it to this link. Go to Media, Upload, Record Media. Hit on the rocket ship. Right? And this is where you're going to search for your song. Mine was called Wealth Inequality. It should be the first one that pops up. Yep. Alright, so we're going to click on that, hit open, submit. Okay. Now it's already in there. That's great. Now you're going to go ahead and write in your 3 to 5 sentences. This is my protest song about wealth inequality. And and continue on. Once you're good with that, you're going to hit the post reply. Then you're good to go. Okay. Do not worry about complimenting or commenting on two classmates' posts just yet. I just want you to submit and then tell me what your song is about. Okay. All right. Best of luck on this, and we'll see you after Thanksgiving.